Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a cotton candy look and we're gonna jump right into it. So right now I am using P. Louise base and 0. So it's just like a plain white base, and I'm just applying that on the lid, and I'm using this mini buffer from Morphe, and I'm just tapping in the base on my eyelids and just buffing it out. Next, I'm going to go in this palette that I don't know the name of, and the dark blue color that I pointed at is the color that I'm going in with. And I do not, I did not realize that this shadow was a shimmer shade. So I eventually realized that when I added the second color to it. But it's a shimmer shade, and I use the Morphe, I think it's called the Crease Bullet, and I just tapped that into my crease. And now I'm using this V5 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just blending out the harsh lines. But yeah, you guys, I did not realize that this was a shimmer shade, so yeah, that's why it kind of looks weird. But you can kind of see that shimmer look. Next, I'm going in my Morphe palette, my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that pink and I'm just tapping that into the crease right next to the blue. And I'm using Real Techniques, what is this called? I forgot the name. Well, yeah, basically it's a Real Techniques brush, and I think it's probably like a blending brush or something. But yeah, I'm taking that into the crease and I'm just buffing it all in there. And I'm going back into the V5 brush and I'm just blending out the pink. And guys, this is around the time when I realized that it was a shimmer shade, so I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna have to go with the flow. But I know you guys haven't heard my voice in a long time, you guys. You know, we're stuck in this quarantine, so I've been trying to, like, you know, do my thing or whatever and putting out videos, but it's just, I still have to go to work, so. Next, I'm going in with INGLOT's gel liner in 92, which is silver. And I'm going to use that Miss A brushes. It's literally $1. Online it's called Miss A Shop. And I'm going to use that small brush to carve out my crease. And I don't know if you guys have ever used this gel liner, but you got to be quick. And I know it looks like I'm not quick, but it's just like I don't go back to the same spot that I laid the gel liner down. So it's like you kind of just gotta go and move and like just move quick. But as you can see, I like to kind of do a dotted line for me to help me create the crease a bit faster, because I do tend to take a long time when I'm doing my crease. So, and then now I'm just patting it in and bringing the gel liner down on my lid. Also, you guys, I'm sorry if my makeup like kind of looks washed out. It's my lighting. I'm literally like trying to get my lighting like on point. I fixed my camera to the perfect film setting, so right now I'm working on my lighting, and I'm also thinking about ordering some softbox so that it doesn't look so harsh. Next, I'm going in my James Charles palette, and I'm taking that light sky blue and I'm adding that towards the tear duct. And you probably won't be able to see it as much, but it's there, you guys. It's the lighting. So now I'm going back in my 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm tapping that pink right next to it. And this is a MAC brush. I forgot the name of it, but it will be listed down below. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using MACAO, and it's the lighter one. And then I have MARQUESE that I'm using with this brush that I bought at Walmart for like $2, I think. And it's really flat. So yeah, I'm just using that to apply that on my skin. I went in and applied glitter and did my liner because my camera was dying. So that's what happened. But these foundations are from NARS. So I had MACAO first, and I realized it was too light. Then I tried MARQUESE. I do like MARQUESE, but I think I need to try it by itself. But NARS longwear, what is it called? NARS Radiant Longwear. It's some pretty good foundation. I recommend it. And now I'm going in with my Morphe mist spray. And I'm just spraying my face so that it can sink into my skin. And now I'm using Real Techniques cheek brush, and I'm kind of tapping, like I'm tapping the edge of like where I applied the foundation just to blend it all out. And then I go in and down to the darker foundation and just blend everything in a tapping motion. Now I'm going in with Born This Way concealer in Mocha, and I'm just applying that under my eyes. On my nose, on my chin, and in my forehead. Now I'm going back in with that same brush that I bought from Walmart, and I'm just cleaning up my liner. So I'm using the same concealer that I applied on just to clean it out. Now I'm using this brush that I got from Shop Miss A. I think it's a setting powder brush, and I'm just blending out the edges of the concealer. Now I'm going in with my what is this called? Oh my gosh. I'm going in with Juvia's Place foundation stick, but I'm using it to contour, and this is ZAMBIA, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, my forehead. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics contour brush, and I'm just blending out the contour. Sorry if my camera is not focusing. It's like in and out. Sorry about that. Now I'm going in with Tarte and Tan Sand, and I just wanted a little bit of highlight underneath my eyes. And now I'm using Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just patting that concealer in under my eyes. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Blender, and I'm just blending out everything. I use both the brush and the Beauty Blender. I just like the results it gives me. So I'm just patting everything, make sure everything is blended properly. Now I'm going in with some setting powder, and I mix Laura Mercier with Topaz, and then I went in with Fenty Beauty Honey right after. So right now I'm just patting in the Laura Mercier and Topaz, and then right after I went in with Fenty. So my camera died, and now we're back. So I was applying some shadow underneath my eyes and mascara, and the mascara got on my makeup, so I fixed that real quick, and I powdered contoured, and now I'm just blending out the setting powder, or shall I say dusting away. Thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry my camera died. We have come to an end, but I hope this video helped you to create this look. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment any videos you would like me to put out, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.